And Brunswick has asked me to share their pizza recipe with you, but this time they've asked me to use their tuna in Thai chili sauce. Let's get started. So this recipe calls for turkey bacon or regular bacon. We're going to crisp it in a pan first and then get started with the assembly of our pizza. Alright, let's go. We're going to put a touch of olive oil in our pan because turkey bacon tends to have less fat than regular bacon, of course. Take your tongs, get that in there. Oh yeah, nice and crackling. There we go. Just spread it out in the pan. I'm going to crisp this on a low to medium heat so it doesn't burn. We're basically taking the moisture out of the bacon. But there is a considerable amount of flavor due to the process. You can also add your favorite veggies on this pizza like mushrooms, sweet peppers, tomatoes, olives. Remember, it's your kitchen, you're the head chef, and you're in charge. Now that our bacon is ready, we can assemble our pizza and pop it in the oven. So I have some pizza sauce I bought at my local grocery, and I also got a pre-made pizza dough as well. You can normally get at some bakeries and normally a supermarket. Just going to spread a fair amount just around, leaving a nice little crust on the edge. Now that our sauce is on, we're going to put our cheese. You can use your favorite cheese. If you have a regular cheddar cheese, you have some mozzarella cheese in your fridge, whatever you have. Remember, we're in quarantine and we're trying to use up whatever we have in our kitchen. Okay, that looks good. All right, so here comes our tuna in Thai chili sauce, and just want to place this just all over and around. Easy, simple. We're gonna top this with our crispy bacon, which is gonna crisp even more in our oven. Let's put a bit of a seasoning on this. Just a bit of garlic powder, a bit of black pepper, and onion powder. Alright. Don't forget a touch of oregano. Let's get this in the oven. So our pizza is out of the oven. It's nice and crispy on top. Cheese is nice and melted. My crust has a nice little feel to it. I'm gonna put some Parmesan on this while it's hot. I have some oregano, to say. These fresh herbs I had in my fridge with some scallions or some chives. And I'm gonna put some of that while it's hot. Alright, I'll let this cool for a few minutes before I cut it. Drizzling a bit of olive oil on it and a touch of chili flakes for a little heat. Enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time.